I am extremely happy to attend the concluding session of this workshop on Kerala-Vietnam cooperation. This is the first time such a workshop is held by the Kerala government focused on any country in the world. The high levels of participation from the Kerala side and the quality of discussions reflect the importance attached by the government of Kerala to forging strong bonds of cooperation with Vietnam, a country whose people we regard as friends and comrades. Vietnam is an important partner of India in the world. It is a key pillar of India's Act East policy. Vietnam enjoys a special place in the hearts of people of Kerala. Our people closely followed the historic struggle of the Vietnamese people against imperialism. The father of the modern Vietnamese nation, Ho Chi Minh, is well known to us. His simple life and yet immense contributions remain an inspiration to the intellectuals and youth of our state. During the Vietnam War, our people expressed solidarity with the Vietnamese people in various ways and rejoiced with them when victory was achieved in 1975. Mr. Ambassador, friends, the year 2022 marks the 50th anniversary of establishment of diplomatic relations between India and Vietnam. The government of Kerala believes that we must use this occasion to take our friendship and cooperation to a much higher level. We are keen to build a special relationship with Vietnam that leverages our relative strengths and brings benefit to both of us. In recent years, Vietnam has achieved impressive success in many fields. We would like to learn how you have improved productivity in aquaculture and pisciculture, as well as the cultivation of rice, pepper, coffee, etc. We believe there is scope for collaboration in the cashew and rubber sectors. We would like to encourage and facilitate collaborations between Vietnamese and Indian companies for the processing and value addition of marine and agricultural products. Kerala at the same time is happy to offer support to Vietnam in the field of higher education, professional training, and information technology. We are happy to welcome Vietnamese students and mid-career officials to our institutions of higher learning, which are amongst the best in the country. We are also happy to help Vietnam with digital education and online learning, where we have significant strength. Moreover, Kerala is one of the top tourist destinations in the world. I invite our friends from Vietnam to visit us in large numbers and experience the natural beauty of our state as well as the warmth and hospitality of our people. Today's workshop is the first step in the process of taking our relations to a new level. Many ideas have been exchanged in the discussions held today. I understand that both sides are keen on exploring sister city associations. Relationships between business sectors will be strengthened through visits of experts and webinars. The formation of joint working groups in agriculture and fisheries would provide a forum for cooperation in the future. We hope this workshop will be the beginning of increased contacts, detailed discussions, and concrete steps which will result in Kerala become a key partner of Vietnam in all fields of mutual importance. Your Excellency, I am grateful to your colleagues and you for having taken out the time to visit our state and participate in this workshop. We look forward to hosting the Honorable Prime Minister of Vietnam in Kerala. Please convey to your government and leaders that Kerala stands ready to forge a close, strong, and special relationship with Vietnam, which contributes to prosperity and a better life for the people of both our countries. Thank you.